Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Najmi bin Muhammad Ludin. So today I will presenting a case study about water distribution system and sewerage system. This group has 4 members. I'm one of the 4 members. Introduction for this case study is water supply distribution network is a part of town and municipality planning. Considering the affecting factor like the location of the town or city, its current water demand, the future demand growth, leakage in the conduits, required pressure in pipes, losses in the pipes, and many more. The main purpose of the distribution network is to supply water with adequate pressure and flow. Water distribution network serve the purpose of supplying water for drinking, washing, sanitation, irrigation, firefighting, and many more. Case study, we have choose a study area at village Tanjung Jara. Is the location of the sub-rural area where are we gathering information about the raw water distribution, sewerage system, and wastewater treatment used in the study area. A water distribution system is being designed at Tanjung Jara village with an estimated population of 500 people. Is the second most populous village in the sub-district, which is located at Batu Lapan Jalan Dungun 2300 Dungun at Terengganu Darul Imam State. The total geographical area of the Tanjung Jara village is assumed to be 8 km. There are, I assume, 100 houses in the village, and it also has a Tanjung Jara resort at the study area.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fadlan bin Muhammad Sabukari. Number matric is 13DKA20F2044. Today I would like to present about distribution component water system at study area of Tanjung Jara village. Delivery pipe or main delivery. Pipes carry treat water from treatment plant, from the pump to the tank, from the tank to another tank. Next, water recirculation. Pipe from service tank or pool, treated plant from a booster pump station. Next is water meter. Complementary components are used to measure the quantity of water flowing through it. Pipe connection used for various. Tank or pool used to stabilize the supply on changing of demand. Next is distribution method of Tanjung Jara village is pumping system. This method is suitable if the sources is at a lower elevation than the target community. It is also has no problem with the pressure and maintaining the heat at the consumer steps. The advantage of pumping system is water can be pumped only when required. Next is low water loss due to leakage. And lastly is distribution system of that end system is selected for Tanjung Jara village, suitable for all town and cities, having no definite pattern of road. The meter of pipe decrease at every 3 branch, suitable for irregular developed towns or cities. The advantage of that end system is the design of pipe laying is simple and easy. A smaller number of cut-off valves are required, and the operation and the operation or maintenance costs are low. Pipe laying is simple, and no skilled labor is required. Next is lastly is discharge or pressure at any point in the distribution system is calculated easily.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irsyad Ali bin Muhammad Sutri. My matrix number is 13DKA20F2020. Okay, next is suitable design for sewerage system at Tanjung Jara village. 1. Component of sewerage system. Firstly is drains, subway space under the urban ground that conducts water to the sewers. Second, connections, set of elements installed outside the buildings that connect their drainage network with the main sewage system. Third is stormwater detention valve, tanks to retain the water coming from the collectors in order to avoid flooding in case of heavy rains. Fourth is collectors. They are in charge of collecting and transporting water from the drains to the main collectors. Lastly is interceptor outfalls. This outfalls will carry the water from the main collector to the treatment plants or other place where they are to be discharged. Sewerage system at Tanjung Jara village is separate system. This is because small detention basins may be built as part of the system, storing stormwater temporarily and reducing the magnitude of the peak flow rate. Sanitary sewers, on the other hand, carry domestic wastewater to a sewage treatment plant. Pre-treated industrial wastewater may be allowed into municipal sanitary sewerage system, but stormwater is excluded. Okay, the advantage of separate sewerage system. Firstly is being smaller in size. The sewers are economical. The surface water may be taken in open or closed conduits or drains at or near the surface and discharged at suitable outlets, thus greatly simplifying the design of sewers of stormwater drains. Secondly, there is no risk of stream pollution as no storm overflows are to be provided. Thirdly is the quantity of sewage to be treated is small, and the disposal of all treatment works can be economically designed. And lastly, if the pumping of sewage at the treatment works is necessary, the pumping cost will be much less as there is no need to pump the stormwater. Okay, next is based on our question. We have been estimate that our required sewer diameter using Manning formula. The diameter or the answer we get is 0.105 meter for the 500 population. Okay, that's all from me.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Farhan Rafi'i. Uh, Next, process of sewerage system at Tanjung Jara village. In this type of system, the overall sewer mains are separate, which each of the two sewage programs operating at the same time, and the storm drains carry the stormwater runoff separately from the wastewater. The sewage is carried to the treatment plant and finally disposed of after treatment. The stormwater is directly discharged into the river or stream. Okay, next conclusion. The purpose of this research was to identify the water distribution and sewerage system for the study area at Tanjung Jara village. Based on the information conveyed in the case study, it can be concluded that there are multiple methods that can be used for the water distribution and sewerage system in the village of Tanjung Jara, as well as modification that can be made for future development. Future research using this case study can help us determine which method is best for the water distribution and sewerage system in our future job site project. This case study also could improve the life of others with healthy water supply, which is worth exploring. exploring. Okay, next recommendation. Upon analysis of this case study, it is recommended to implement a dead-end system for Tanjung Jara village. The dead-end system is the simplest to implement and has the lowest cost. It will not also impact potential profits and customers' satisfaction with water quality and service. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.